Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to create a stunning, professional-looking Instagram feed without stressing over design skills or expensive software, you are absolutely in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make an eye-catching Instagram feed right inside Canva. And the best part, I've got a free template for you. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to craft a cohesive feed, but you'll also have everything you need to start right away. No graphic design degree required. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's head over to Canva. If you don't have an account already, just take a moment to sign up. It's completely free and you can access it on your computer or even your phone. Now, once you're on the Canva homepage, look for that purple Create a Design button. It's usually right in the upper corner and you honestly can't miss it. Go ahead and click that. This button is basically your gateway to all of Canva's creative tools. Now, in that little search bar that pops up, type Instagram feed. This is important because Canva will then show you layouts and templates that are perfectly sized for Instagram, so you don't have to worry about your posts getting cut off or looking awkward when you upload them later. It'll also show you options for feed planners, grid posts, and carousel templates. Once you see the list of Instagram feed templates, spend a moment scrolling through. You'll notice a ton of different styles, from minimal and chic to bold and colorful. My advice here, pick a layout or theme that really fits your brand or the vibe you want on your Instagram. Don't stress about making it perfect right off the bat. You can always edit and tweak colors, fonts, and images to match your personal style. When you find a template you like, just click it to open it up in the editor. Now comes the fun part, editing the template. This is where you get to bring your unique look to life. Start by swapping out the placeholder images for your own photos. Just drag and drop, and if you need to crop or adjust, Canva makes that super intuitive. Then update the text, whether it's a quote, your next promo, or just your username, make it yours. Play around with the colors, especially if you have a brand palette or signature shade. Here's a little tip, try to keep your colors and fonts consistent across the feed. That'll make your overall Instagram look more polished and intentional. Don't worry if things don't look right at first, just experiment. Sometimes the best ideas come from a little trial and error. Once you're happy with your design, you're almost done, but not quite. Head up to the share button in the upper right corner. Click that and then look for the download option. I recommend choosing the PDF print format if you want a super high-quality export, or you can select PNG if you're ready to post right away. Either way, Canva's downloads are quick and reliable. Just give it a moment if you're working with a lot of images. And that's it. Your custom Instagram feed is ready to go. You now have a beautiful, unique grid that'll stand out and impress your followers. Before you head out, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want more free templates like this. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing.